suggest that one thing which India I see more is there are no lot of restrictions. So for example, let's say somebody wants to come up and start with something. So there are no more restrictions, there are no more rules like in America we have. So if one person goes ahead and start an industry, one person goes ahead and start a business, there are 5, 10, 50 more people who would come and join them, and there will be creation of employment. That is one. And I know you have asked me one. The other thing which I see here is there are no laborers, there are no workers here, right? And I don't suggest, but at the same time I don't like seeing small people or seeing laborers working in India, like we have house cleaners every day coming home, like we have a lot of people, right, lot of laborers in India, whereas over here cleaning house or washing clothes or everything you have to, even if there is let's say lawn outside your house, you are the one who will go and cut. So there's one way I feel bad all the time in India that, oh, these are poor guys and they have to just do our thing. But the other way I feel is if they were not doing this, then they were unemployed. Whereas over here, everybody does their own stuff on their own. So there are a lot of ways where somebody who's poor can go ahead and work for richer. I know that it will bring a lot of questions about disparity. Poor becomes more poor, richer becomes more richer. It will bring, but there's some way we can balance. There's some way government can think about more of this, and maybe there could be more employment in the country in that ways.
Thank you.